girls, wanna go for a workout? No girl, I cannot go. I'm on my period. Ugh, this never gets old. I don't know why this myth has survived for so long, because there is literally no scientific evidence that shows that it's harmful to work out during your period. Many research studies have in fact found that the opposite is actually true. If you work out during your period, it can regulate your hormones, relieve stress, ease your menstrual cramps, uplift your mood. There are literally benefits of working out during your period. But having said that, I don't want to completely dismiss it as a myth, because I do know that there are some women out there who cannot work out. Even if they try to work out during their period, they just cannot, like their bodies don't allow them to work out. So if that is the case, I think you can rest during your period, but do not just sit out there thinking that you cannot work out because it's not good for you to work out during your period. In fact, believe it or not, I get some of my best workouts when I'm on my period. Yeah, if you feel well, if your body allows you, please go out and squeeze in a workout. Any workout, whatever workout you want, whatever workout your body allows you to do, because there's literally no such thing as don't do workout in your period. Do not fall for that, ladies. That's not true. Okay, stop. Like, spot reduction is still so widely promoted, and I don't understand how people buy into that, because you know what, no matter what you do, you cannot dictate your body where to lose fat from. If you want to lose fat in your abdomen and you think that doing thousands crunches every day can help you out, I mean, sure, it will strengthen the muscle, but it's not going to essentially help you lose that fat from that area only. If you're eating in a calorie deficit and you're working out, you're working on the muscle, then you're going to lose weight from everywhere in your body, not essentially from that area. I'm not saying that you're never going to lose fat from that area. You are, but it's going to take time. Your focus should be to strengthen that muscle. So I recently made a video on how I built my lower body. I always had a very weak lower body, and it took me a lot of time to do that. And also, when I was eating in a surplus, I did not just gain weight there, I gained overall. So spot gaining and spot reduction, that is a complete myth. It's not going to happen. It's not possible. You're just going to disappoint yourself. And also, our body naturally feels comfortable storing fat in certain areas of our body. Like for me, it's here in my back. I'm going to put a clip of my back fat for you to see. No matter what I do, it just stays. So some people are lucky, they just have fat storage in desired areas, but most people were not that fortunate. So if you are angry about the fact that you have here or here or here or anywhere that you don't like, then you should actually blame it on your genetic disposition. It's just that you chose the wrong set of parents. Igal, what's up? What you doing? I'm working out. But you do know that you're gonna look like a man if you lift weights, right? What? I'm not doing it. Okay, this one. This one irks me the most. That's one of the most popular myths out there. Like, for girls, if they lift weights, they're gonna look like man. Now, I seriously, first of all, I don't understand like the regressive notions that we have in our heads, like what a man should look like and what a woman should look like. Okay, anger aside, that's a huge myth. Listen to me. Men and women, they're made very differently. Men and women, we have very different hormones. So the hormone that is responsible for growing muscles is called testosterone. Men naturally produce more testosterone than women. So we can naturally never produce as much testosterone as men naturally do. So do not worry, even if you lift weights, lift a ton of weights, you're never gonna look like a man. Like, you're gonna look super sexy, you're gonna look super beautiful, you're gonna look muscular. Do you even know how offensive this myth is? Because it takes years to grow muscles and to build muscles. So if you're insulting a woman for being muscular, I mean, joke's on you, buddy. You are just lazy and you're just very ignorant of how the human body works. Muscles are so beautiful, they're so evergreen. So if you have muscles, treasure them. Like, don't worry about you being called a man. I mean, who cares? It's 2023. I personally know men who don't want to look like men. I personally also know girls who do not want to look like girls or women. People can look like whoever, whatever they want to look like. So please, let's not enforce these regressive thoughts and notions, because I truly honestly believe that we are living in a very progressive world, and so by doing all these things, we're just going backwards.
Protein shakes are really bad.
Like, can you elaborate?
It takes 3 years to digest one scoop of protein shake, by the way.
What the? This one again annoys me the most. So when we go to a doctor and they prescribe us calcium supplements, vitamin supplements and da 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 da, that's all fine. But when it comes to supplements for muscle building and fitness in general, then I don't know, somehow it is very conveniently branded as steroids and unnatural, and rumors are circulated like it will impact your kidney, it will damage your organs and whatnot. That kind of talk is still very, very prevalent. It's because we do not do enough research. We just blindly believe in what people are saying. But most of the supplements that are out there, most of these are actually found in natural food that we consume on a day-to-day basis. For example, whey protein. If you're consuming any dairy products, there are chances that there is whey in it. Beta-alanine, which is found in poultry and fish. Creatine, caffeine. There are so many natural supplements. So please do not fall for celebrities or influencers who are actually creating a bad name for these supplements, because that's not true. Because most of the times these celebrities, they call them as steroids at first, but then they promote it very conveniently later. Hey bro, what's up? I'm working out. But you look extremely uncomfortable. Why don't you take off the sweater and also switch on the AC? No, but the more I sweat, the more I'm gonna burn calories, right? Oh, so you're one of those. Are you one of those who think that sweating more means that you are burning more calories? If that's what you think, then I'm sorry to bust it to you, but it's not true. Why do we sweat? We sweat because it's our body's way of regulating our temperature. So any activity, it could be any activity that can lead to a change in bodily temperature. For example, working out, eating spicy food. When you get stressed about something, we sweat. Our body maintains a cooling mechanism and releases it in the form of sweat. If our body doesn't do it, internally we'll become a furnace and we would explode. In layman's terms, that's why we sweat. It's true, you're going to lose a little bit of weight if you sweat, but it's going to be very temporary because you are only losing water weight. So as soon as you rehydrate and you get back to your normal state, then you're going to gain back that weight. So it's really trivial. I used to know a trainer who used to actually wear 2 layers of, like sweatshirt, t-shirt and switch off the AC and sweat out just because you think that it will burn more calories, and he would tell his clients to do the same thing. But if you do that, you're going to be very uncomfortable. You are not going to go your hardest while you're doing your set. Don't fall for that. That's really not true. That's all from my side today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and tell me in the comments if you have fallen prey to any of these fitness myths or any other fitness myths. There are so many. I can make so many videos on fitness myths. That's it from my side. Subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.